Okay, guys, what I have here is a package from Ritter, which is said to be the last few of his pipes. I think he said he had a few more of the Rustler pipes and stuff, but let's just get right into this, man. I'm super excited to get this. I'm going to check this out right now. No more waiting. I think we got pipe right here. Kind of hard doing this with one hand. Let's see which pipe is in here. It's a heavy one, so it might be... Okay, this is... I believe this is a T-Max pipe, a steel one. It could be a Rustler, I'm not too sure, but this is really cool, man. There's the mounting spot for it. Really nice work, eh? Let's see what else we have here. The carbon one in here somewhere too for a T-Max. Okay, here's another steel. These might be the Rustler pipes, actually. And I know he said that one of them wasn't expanded as much. I think those might be the Rustler pipes. Let me see. Let me see what else we got here. This is another steel pipe for sure. So this one here, okay, my bad. This is a Rustler pipe. This one here is the Rustler pipe. Those two here are T-Max pipes. And this is a Rustler pipe here. This is going to be sweet on the Rustler, man. Oh, dude. He wasn't kidding when he said he picked me out a nice one here. Look at that. That looks fucking wicked. And then this has got to be the carbon fiber one. We got a couple things here. Oh, sweet. We got a couple Ritter stickers. Hell yeah. Definitely going to put that on my toolbox or something. All right, and this is the carbon one that's going to be going on my T-Max. Let's take a look at this. What? That's something else. Damn, dude. That's next level. Man, I can't wait to hear what this sounds like. This is going to be pretty wicked. I got to put this on and see how it does. It's probably going to sit something like on the T-Max. I'm not sure actually how this is going to sit. Might be on kind of an angle or something. I'm not too sure. That's going to be pretty sweet, man. Looks mint too. It's going to add a little bit of weight to it, but it's not a big deal. Nice, dude. I'm pumped on these. Yeah, they look cool, but I can't wait to fire them on the trucks and try them out. Back. I just took this thing out for a test run, and I'm actually amazed with this Ritter pipe right now. It was super snappy on the low, like very snappy, and if anything now I have to adjust my 2-speed because I think I'm getting a little bit more power out of this thing for sure. It's shifting way earlier now, and it's just running so good. This thing is wicked, man. I can't wait to test out these other ones that I have here. I got these, I have another 2 T-Max pipes. One's carbon, another one's steel, but this This other steel one I have is actually a little bit bigger. He said that this one that I actually have on my T-Max right now is slightly smaller than they're supposed to be. So this one that I have in my hand is actually supposed to be the proper size. And the one that's on the truck there is slightly smaller than the spec dimension. So, or maybe this one's slightly bigger. I'm not too sure. But then I need to install this Rustler one on the old Rustler. I think this will be sweet. I need to put that on. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect on there. Just have to mod up my exhaust mount a little bit, and this thing's gonna be ripping with this pipe. Way better than that other pipe I had on there. That other HPI pipe I had on it was good, but the Ritter pipes are gonna be next level. Shout out to Ritter, man. Thanks a lot, bro. That's awesome.